Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Hazel from the Israelite Woman's Homestead. Today I'm starting a video series for small YouTubers like myself. I've learned so much things because I want to make YouTube videos and make them really well and share information with you all. I've decided to study the YouTube, the algorithm and all kind of stuff. And I figure out that if I can do it, you can do it too. But I can tell you what I've learned because I'm a geek. This is what I do. So I started posting videos on my channels, which I had since 2015. A couple of months ago, I started posting some videos and I started getting subscribers, and I wanted to tell you how I get those subscribers. So actually, we are going to talk about today how sub for sub affects your monetization. So I know, yeah, we're small. We don't have a lot of subs yet. We're not even in the category to be monetized as yet. But I've noticing a trend on YouTube now. Like every time I click on channel, lots of channels, I notice there are these spammers who's saying, oh, sub me, I'll sub you, let's grow together. All that's rubbish. So I want to tell you, if you're a new YouTube creator, please stop asking for sub. This is not going to get you any monetization, because you know what, if you do get 1,000 subscribers, when you do get the point where YouTube is gonna review your channel, when you get to 1,000 subscribers, and they are going to see that the people that are on your channel was sub for sub, and they are going to delete your channel. So it's not worth the time. Get subscribers the honest way. All right, so stop the sub for sub. Point number 2. When you apply for monetization, YouTube will give you a very red flag. You know what that means? It means that all the effort and time that you spend, maybe you had your channel for over 3 or 4 years, and you know what? You're going to lose that channel, and then you have to start all over again, and maybe you're not going to be allowed back on YouTube. Who knows? YouTube can do whatever they want. So please don't take that chance. It's really, really not worth it. Point number 3. You are going to lose money, right? Yeah. Because the point of making a YouTube channel is to make quality videos, to have fun, and to make money in the process. And don't tell me anybody makes YouTube because they just want to make YouTube videos. You want to make some money. You want to get something for your time. I mean, I have a business and I sell stuff. I don't want to just have a business to say I have a business. I want to sell stuff and I want to make money. And it's the same thing with YouTube. So if you are doing that sub for sub, you are going to lose money. And I know you're here to make money. So it's going to be $0 for you. You would not make more money. And as I said in point 1 and 2, you would definitely lose your channel and have to start it all over again. Point number 3 is be ethical. If you're an ethical person, that means that you have your channel and you're doing things ethically, which means that you're not going to people's channels and doing sub for sub. You're not spamming people, but instead you're taking the time to make good content that people want to watch, and content that people are enjoying. You definitely are going to grow on YouTube. You may not have 10,000 subscribers today, but you will get there. Point number 4. Sub for sub would not help you to grow on YouTube. Why? Because the people who subbed on your channel are not there because they enjoy the content that is on your channel. They are there because you did sub for sub, and guess what? They are not going to be watching your channel, so you are not going to grow on YouTube, and it is definitely going to affect you when it comes to monetization. So even if you are monetized, you pass the test of YouTube, even if you get sub for sub, and then you reach 1,000 subscribers, guess what? Who is watching you then? No one. Because those people that you did sub for sub, they're not really watching you, okay? And you are not going to make any more money. So your channel is going to be there 1,000 subscribers stuck. And you're not making any money because nobody's watching you. But if you do the sub business properly, like I said before, be ethical, your deaf people are going to come to your channel because they actually like your channel, they like your content, and they actually there as a support for you, and they are very excited to watch your video every time a video comes out. So folks, pay attention to that. If you want to be monetized, if you want to do well on YouTube, please follow those tips. And I trust you. I guarantee you it will work. I see lots of YouTubers there who are doing it the right way, and they are doing extremely well. YouTube is a platform that is very, very competitive. And if you want to be in that competitive race, you have to be producing videos that people love, or you have to be funny, or you have to have your niche, or you just have to know the algorithm, and you are going to kick it off. But being dishonest, doing dishonest and unethical practices is not going to help you, and monetization may never happen for you. And if you do squeak by YouTube, which I doubt it, your channel is not going to grow. So I hope you take those little tips into consideration, and I hope you change your behavior and your mindset, and I hope you take better steps to get yourself monetized. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.